Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. It is beyond the elaborations of demarcated false ideas. In the blazing wisdom of the All-Good, our origins and engagements are present according to the way in which we are aware. The awareness that reaches the end is the experience of the mind. This is to be experienced using the way of the four analogies. Those who are exhausted in the experience of self-evident awareness believe that this is for the sake of our awareness. The path for us all that reaches to the end of the secrets is that all of us have been spontaneously realized right from the beginning. We are primordial Buddhas. There is nothing that we seek. We are spontaneously realized. We do not hunt for any other. We have nothing to pray for. We are beyond any objectives. We have no cause or conditions other than our own self-originating. We are not compounded. We are not destroyed. We have nothing to visualize. We do not hunt for any object. We have no hope. We do not work on any effort. We do not abide by contemplations, practices, and conceptions. We are all perfected within secret wisdom. It is called the space of our secret awareness. In the experience of non-contrivance, we are Buddhas. Those who hold on are exhausted in just this. Our knowledge, awareness, memory, and understanding are perfect in our hearts. The heart essence of the three times is spontaneously perfected. We are not different than a sentience that has reached the end. We understand thusness. We have reached the end. Separation, non-separation, and all the rest, everything is self-originating awareness. In the self-originating contemplation of our heart essence, we are eternally clear. Now, this is our view. It is spontaneously realized. It is our reward. It is beyond any strife. It is a siddhi. We are pure from the primordial, so we do not need to cleanse. From the beginning we have reached the end. We do not need to meditate.